This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Beautiful manicured lawn. Ranch home all on one level. 3 bed, 1 bath. Hardwood floors, 1 car garage and 2 car carport. Shed could be a workshop. It has electricity. Refrigerator stays. Very convenient location to Oak Ridge and Clinton. Buyer to verify square feet multiple offer. Seller is calling for highest and by 8 p.m. Sunday, March 28, 2021. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Parsons at 865-966-1111.